Well, we are ready to leave. We left it hooked up overnight. So all we had to do was unhook the electricity. And we're ready to go. From the Bessie recreation area. And down there's the bathroom. We're going to go down and check that out for you. Get a minute here. All these trees are marked. And this great big monster, this is an elm tree. I haven't seen an elm tree in 100 years. They're all dying from the Dutch elm disease. One tiny little bark beetle that spreads it all over the place. They got paths all over the place. A basketball court over there. A dog tie-up spot. They consider this a tornado-safe shelter. I don't know if I believe that. It's all wood. These are the bathrooms and showers. This is the one I was in this morning. I wanted to bring a broom. The light comes on eventually. There it is. It's got a bench for your stuff. Got a few hooks here. No hooks or anything in the shower there for towels. I laid all my good stuff up here. Soap and shampoo and all that. They got these crummy little shower heads, but they didn't do too bad. That one's fairly good. It hasn't been ripped apart and going yet. Ooh, it's hot. A little fan to keep the steam down. One of the things I always do with these bathrooms, I always look to see if there's interesting insects and butterflies on the outside, because they attract, usually there's lights, and the lights attract great big moths. Why don't you say, I want to go out? What do you want? Did you play with a stick? Where's your ball? Don't know. It's not in here. Sit. Good boy. Well, we are camped at the Hebron City Park campground. The site we have is reserved for July, but we have it today, which is June. It is reserved, but not the day we're here. We're here June 1st. And these are concrete pads. We had to jockey around a little bit to get over to the side we wanted, but it's okay. Nice little area there. Side of a big, I think this a little late to be harvesting beans, but I think this is a bean patch. Soybeans. There are a few other RVs here. And that big building way over there is a pool. and splash pad in outdoors. Got the ball fields here. Might have a softball game or a little league game. We'll walk out to the main sign here. This is kind of hidden. This is on 7th Street in Hebron. We found it by calling the office. But I think it's $25 a night, which isn't too bad. Where are we going? Some great big trees for shade. Our site isn't in the shade, but we've got air conditioning and electricity, so we don't care. They're mowing the ball fields. Riverside Park in Hebron. Motorhomes and campers, 25 bucks. Tents, $5. Parking permits available at the shower building, which we got one. We got one. The parking permit. So we're gonna pay up and get comfortable. If you're noticing lines across the camera picture, that's because I just dropped the camera and broke the, hopefully I broke the film, the filter that's on the lens. And now I can't get it off. But, brand new camera. It's got to have something happen to it quickly. Big old pine tree and a whole lot of cottonwoods. Cottonwoods are the tree of Nebraska. You're wondering where the boy is, he's in the trailer with the air conditioning on. I'm sure he's cuddling up to my pillows right now, enjoying himself. He really wants to play ball. We've been on the road for the last 6 hours from where we were in middle Nebraska. We were at the Bessie Recreation Area. It was a very nice campground. Very nice area. Nice, decent showers. They have those stupid jet shower heads that just like pretty bad. But they work. There's water and it's hot. So these bathrooms are a little weird. They're open stalls, no doors, no curtains or anything like that. And there's one shower stall. We'll have to find out what this building is. Here's the boy. See, up on the bed. What are you doing? Come on in. Enough. Well, folks, that's a very quick and down and dirty explanation of the Hebron Riverside Campground. It's just a reminder that you should always look at small towns and stuff along your route to see if there's campgrounds in them, because sometimes they have really nice campgrounds. Now that had a very interesting bathroom situation in that the was open stalls, concrete in the men's, no doors, no curtains or anything. Now the women's were kind of normal stalls with curtains and everything, but I don't know why women get better stalls, but and the Little League team was running in and out of there during the games and when they had breaks. So it was, for the men's there was one urinal, one John. So if you had to go, you were in trouble because there's all these little 7-year-olds running in and out. I'm sure they would have wanted to talk to you if you were sitting there doing your business. Anyways, the highlight of that campground was the Little League field right next to it. They had a Little League game that night, and it was so cute. I mean, I have 2 boys that started Little League, but they quit, pulled out because there was just too much testosterone in the parents yelling at the ref and the coaches and the managers and yelling at the boys to do this, do that. You know, they didn't give the coaches any respect, and they didn't give the umpires any respect. So we got out of that, and but these were pretty cute. I think these were one level above T-ball, which I think they're 7, 8, and 7, or 7 and 6. But they were skinny little kids that ran like hell. I mean, they were just, it was obvious they just learned to run in the last couple years. But one of the parents was pitching. I think that's the next level over T-ball. And some of them hit pretty good. Some of them threw pretty good too. And so I didn't do a lot of video of that because I don't want to do video of other people's children. I figure that's rude and disrespectful. But we had a good night there, good night's sleep, and we got up at 6 o'clock and headed out. We didn't unhook there either. We didn't unhook in Bessie or there. And that really saves about an hour. Especially when I'm in a little town like that, I'll stop at Burger King or McDonald's for breakfast. Akila especially likes McDonald's. We usually get the big breakfast, and I eat the pancakes and the hash browns and the other stuff, and he eats the scrambled eggs. He does like, he also likes the sausage biscuits. But our go-to, my favorite breakfast is Burger King's croissants, sandwiches. We usually get a ham, egg, and cheese croissant, and he usually gets in around here they're 2 for $5, and so he usually gets a half of one, and I eat 1.5. That's why I'm fat, because of Aquila. So so that's Hebron. From Hebron, I think we go to I think we go all the way to land of the lakes, land between the lakes. That's a really neat place. Somebody, one of you viewers, made a comment about those on one of my videos, and it's definitely nice. It's got, you know, elk and buffalo and all sorts of things. It's a really nice national forest, and the place we stopped is the Fenton Bridge, where there's a bunch of first come first served sites with electricity. So, and you know, when you're traveling in summer, which I consider the middle of June summer, you want to have electricity so you can have air conditioning. I don't want to run a generator, and it's we had a good time there, and then we moved on to our usual Watt Sadler campground in Georgia on the Hartwell Lake. So I didn't do videos on either of those, I don't think. We'll see. But You gotta stop saying but because it's just filler word. So, hope you enjoyed this quick and short little video. We'll get some more videos up as soon as we get traveling again. Alright folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road. I hope to see you on the road. Anyways, meet me on the road somewhere. Alright folks, bye bye. His little face peering around the corner, he wants to say goodbye too. You want to say hi to people? Come here. I know you haven't been in videos much. You are in this video though. What do you say? We're sitting here editing. He doesn't like me editing. He likes to go out and play ball. Go get your ball. Ooh, take out my desk.